Want to slice charcuterie like a pro? Today I'm breaking down the best ways to cut and serve every type of cured meat so you can build the ultimate charcuterie board. Stick around for expert tips. Welcome to Speedy Chef. Today we're mastering charcuterie slicing techniques, from dry cured meats to deli classics, so you can create the perfect presentation. Let's get started. First off, let's understand the basics. What is charcuterie? It's the art of curing and preserving meats. There are different types: dry cured, cooked, smoked, and fermented. Each type needs a unique approach to slicing. Let's dive into how to slice different types of meats. Prosciutto. You want paper-thin slices using a long, sharp slicing knife. Coppa, also known as capicola. Slice it slightly thicker than prosciutto for a richer mouthfeel. Salami and pepperoni. Cut these at a bias to get the best texture and flavor release. Mortadella. Medium-thin slices. Highlight its delicate fat distribution. Chorizo. Slightly thicker slices help preserve its bold spices. Smoked ham and other deli meats. Thin, even slices make for easy layering. Summer sausage. Thick rounds or cubes give you that hearty bite. And for foie gras and pâté, slice carefully with a sharp, warm knife for a smooth presentation. Now, let's talk plating and presentation. Layering for texture. Fold meats in ribbons, rosettes, or stacks for that visual appeal. Pairing with cheese and fruit, balance flavors with aged cheese, nuts, and fresh fruit. Garnishing for color. Use herbs, edible flowers, or pickles to make your board eye-catching. And what about tools? A sharp slicing knife is ideal for thin, precise cuts. If you have a deli slicer, use it for professional-level evenness. And a cheese wire cutter helps with soft, delicate pâtés. Now you know how to slice and serve charcuterie like a pro. What's your favorite cured meat? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert cooking tips. Want to build the perfect charcuterie board? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for expert slicing techniques and gourmet food pairings.